Hello, my fellow Aldi addict, it's Jackie. I'm out here at Aldi in the snow. I'm about to go in. Hopefully it'll be a little warmer in there, and I'm going to get my groceries for the week. So stay tuned to the end. You'll see my meal plan, and we're also going to get stuff to make pie for Pie Day. Let's get in the store. I was hoping they'd have apple pie. I need to take some to my daughter's class tomorrow for Pie Day at school, 3:14, but I guess I'll have to go to Walmart. No apple pie to be found. But they do have the pita I need for my daughter's lunch. My middle daughter wants pita and hummus, $1.99 for that. And then I'm gonna get these mini brioche rolls for shredded chicken sandwiches, $3.79. Tortilla chips, I'm gonna get restaurant style this week. We're having Tostadas, and if anyone wants chips on the side, $1.25. $1.47 for sour cream and cheddar potato chips. These are going to be the crunchies in my daughter's lunches this week. I'm getting white bread to make toast, peanut butter sandwiches, 87 cents. And we are having something called Grandpa's Special this week, which is fried hot dogs and potatoes with eggs. But my son wants to have his hot dog on the side, so I'm going to get hot dog buns for 89 cents. I'm going to get 2 pounds of strawberries at $2.39 a pound. Just gotta hunt for good packs here for lunches. Cilantro for 79 cents. Green beans for $1.65. And sugar snap peas for lo mein for $2.39. I'm also gonna get mini cucumbers for $2.39. All my kids like these in lunches. For lo mein, I'm also gonna get some spinach. $1.19. I'm actually making apple pie for our house on Pie Day. I can't make it for school, but I'm gonna get 2 bags of Pink Lady apples at $3.29 a bag. Well, I wanted to get seasoned pulled chicken for my chicken sandwiches, but I guess I'll have to make it homemade. No big deal, but I was gonna get it. They just only have pork. $1.70 for a dozen eggs, which is crazy. And $2.94 for a gallon of 2%. My absolute favorite, unsweetened vanilla almond milk, $1.79. I prefer that to milk. $3.79 for this orange juice. My kids really like this stuff. And $2.90 for a 4-pack of butter. I've never seen these before. Hot sauce seasoning, buffalo sauce, buffalo ranch, they're $1.99. Taco crackers, we've had those in the past. Dill pickle chips, we've had those too. Lots of yummy snack area. Courtside cravings. They are much better stocked in their canned fruit. So I'm gonna get 2 peaches, 2 fruit cocktails and juice, and 2 pineapples just to have them available in my cupboard. Not all for this week, but peaches are 98 cents, fruit cocktail is 99 cents, and pineapple chunks are $1.28. I'm getting 2 of each. I need white onions, $1.89. Peppers for lunches, and lo mein, $2.99. I need soy sauce, $1.35. And Worcestershire sauce for 99 cents. I'm getting pure maple syrup. Love this stuff. We had a bunch that we ran out of. $6.19. My absolute favorite granola that they sell still, cinnamon raisin, $1.99. $3.28 for a 12-pack of Diet Bagel. And my husband requested a couple of these 5-Hour Energy knockoffs. They're $1.09. 5 years ago when I started buying them, they were 59 cents. Holy moly, it's a miracle that they have juice boxes. I'm getting these for lunches, $2.48. I'm actually gonna get 2 boxes so I don't have to worry that they're not here next week too. I love that armchair, it's so pretty. It's $169. They also have ellipticals for $300. They have little bakeware, electric kettle. We love having one of these. I bought this for when I stayed in a hotel this summer. It worked really well. I don't have it anymore just because I didn't need it anymore, but Love these storage. I absolutely love my food sealer. I do not have this brand, but when I buy chicken on clearance at like 60 pounds at a time, I go home, prep it, and vacuum seal it. Absolutely love it. Definitely think that's a great investment for any kitchen. Pretty candles, straws, bins, lots of fuzzy socks. Ooh. I like these slides. I might have to get these for down when I do the cat box. I know that sounds silly, but then I don't have to walk by the cat box with my bare feet. I don't know. They're men's and ladies, so it's hard to tell, like, is that a ladies' 9 or a men's 9? I think I'm gonna get the size 10. Oh, that's men's. I'm gonna get that size still. I also have a laminator that we use for a lot of projects, and I have also bought the Aldi laminating pouches. They work really good. Definitely recommend them. Oh, look at those throws, the blankets, LED lights, heated pillows. Oh, there's the vacuum. My Dyson one quit on me, and I still would like to get that. But $90 is a lot, so I'm gonna still think on it. Just kind of see what people, how they review it. Barware stuff. That's nice. Surprisingly, we still have gnomes. We have the kettlebells, sink strainers. Those are cute. Lots of different fitness stuff. I kind of want to get into yoga, but I don't know if this would be a waste. A tummy trimmer? Yes, please. They have calendars, chair pads, kits. My son, I think, has done like all of these. He loves digs. Still have the scariest looking cat. Leftover stuff from weeks past. We're having Tostadas this week. $1.99 for the Tostadas shells. I need cumin, $1.49, and chili powder, $1.49. Ran out of both of these. I'm going to make a vegetarian shepherd's pie. I know that might sound like blasphemy to some people, but we're gonna make it for St. Patrick's Day. $1.59 for the vegetable stock. I have a vegetarian, I know you guys know that, and so I'm gonna make it vegetarian friendly. I'm looking to see if they have lentils. Maybe in the Aldi Finds food aisle. I'm not seeing it. But I am seeing the crispy fried onions. I want these to go on our chicken sandwiches, $1.85. I'm getting a pack of flour for $1.49. For when I make our pie, we're just running a little low on flour. Always a staple. I'm getting a pack of Donut Store blend coffee, $3.99. Since my shepherd's pie is going to be vegetarian, I'm gonna get these Irish style bangers to go on the side for those of us that like meat, $3.89. I'm not buying it this week, but this was really good last year when I bought it, $3.99. Gouda for $2.29 for our chicken sandwiches. Oh, my daughter really loved these in her lunches. $3.29 for the habanero snacking cheese. So they still don't have the medium salsa we like, which is too bad. But I'm gonna get guacamole for $4.29, and I'm gonna get pico for $2.95. $2.15 pine nut hummus for the pitas for lunches. Good news. They have our orange waters at $3.29. Those are hard to find lately. Okay, so they have lots of mixed fruits, blueberries, their typical ice cream. Looks like they moved over here a bit of it. Breakfast meatballs, pizzas. Ooh, that looks pretty good actually. A Mama Cozy's XXL pizza. Different soups over there. Hot chicken fries. My son would probably love those, but I do not want to put that much in my freezer. Let's see. Butternut squash blend. Ooh, you know what? I wonder what my family would think if I put that in the shepherd's pie. They probably wouldn't like it, but would they notice? Probably. Peas, protein blends. Let's see, Mediterranean style protein blends. It has lentils, peas, broccoli, garlic sauce. I'm actually gonna get one of those instead of meat. Yeah, I'm actually gonna put this protein blend into our shepherd's pie. I didn't see green lentils, but this has lentils in it, so perfect. This will be our meat. Oh, yummy. I love chicken schnitzel from here. I'm gonna pass on it today, but I love that. They have the loaded tots, which always look good to me, but they're $4 for the box, and I just don't think that seems worth it. I don't know what this is, but it looks kind of good, like rice and pea balls. Onion rings. I'll get these to go with the chicken sandwiches. $2.49. They have beef raviolis, cheese tortellinis, different seafood stuff, and always ham. I have a lot of veggies to put in my lo mein, but I'm getting these mixed veggies, 83 cents, to go into the shepherd's pie. Super easy. I'm going to get 5 of my plain waters at 59 cents a piece. Love these. Another set that would have been great to find, like, 4 months ago. But they have throws, robes, leggings, shirts, socks, more socks. Oh, this is what I was looking for. They have some of the Squishamallows. Super cute Disney ones. I've heard really good things about this slide, but all my kids are way too big for that. Facial cloths, cleansers. Again, I can't help but wonder if all this is meant to be Christmas stuff. These are really cute. Squishamallow neck pillows. I know some of you love the guessing game. Here is my full cart. Any guesses on the total? 127. Okay, so I'm making shredded chicken sandwiches with pineapple and waffle fries. I also bought the onion rings. I was planning on using waffle fries in our freezer, but we might substitute for those onion rings. They didn't have the shredded chicken that I wanted to buy, so I'll just use chicken in my freezer and make it in the crock pot. Super simple. I'm gonna make Grandpa's Special. I have shared this before. I have a video on my other channel about it where it's basically a skillet of potatoes, butter, salt, pepper, chopped up hot dogs, eggs, and then you serve it with toast. It's really simple. It's like a breakfasty dinner. My husband's grandpa used to make that. That's why we call it Grandpa's Special. Tostadas using freezer beef that I have. On St. Patrick's Day, we're gonna have vegetarian shepherd's pie. I also bought those sausages on the side for those of us that like meat. I am also making lo mein. I have a lot of random vegetables, like a couple bell peppers or a single carrot. I'm going to use up a lot of vegetables to make this. I also bought snap peas and spinach to go in there. I have ramen noodles that I bought from Aldi that I'm going to use. I do have a recipe that I'm following for the sauce. I will link that below. Any recipe that I'm following, if I don't just make something up, is going to be linked below. I am making beef tips in the crock pot. I'll have mashed potatoes and then green beans with that. And then also this weekend, we're going to my in-laws, Nana and Papa, that's what my kids call them, for a family dinner. So I don't have to make anything or take anything for that. If you're interested in seeing what I made last year for St. Patrick's Day, I did a themed dinner. You can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Don, and ciao.